First of all, download and install 3DCombine from www.3dcombine.com. Next, open the 3DCombine app. In the menu, go to File, Open Video, and select 2D left. Now select the video you wish to convert to the Virtual Reality 180 format. In the menu, go to File, Open Video, and select 2D right. Then select the same video as before. At the top, press the VR button. To the right, press the fisheye button. In the pop-up drop-down, select Equi-Rectangular, and then 180. We now need to square up the left and right images. To do this, press the Adjust button at the top. Then, press the horizontal crop button on the right. Move both the left and right sliders at the bottom as far right as they can go. This will square up the two images. Now, press the Depth button at the top, and if a pop-up asks to store these changes, click Yes. Press the Auto 2D to 3D button on the right. Select Intelligent from the pop-up drop-down. Give it a moment to process. Depth has now been added to the right-hand image. We are now ready to create the VR 180 video. Go to Menu, File, and select Save 3D. From the drop-down, select Parallel, press the Save Video button, then select a destination folder, and type in a name for your new VR 180 video. Press Save. Your new VR 180 video is now being created. How long this takes depends on the size and frame rate of your original video. Once the progress indicator has completed, your new video will be ready. You can now view your new video on your virtual reality headset. Enjoy!